about the mole concept. So until and unless you do not do any any problem, then we will not be able to understand it better. Okay. So let us go for a little bit of recapitulation. What did you find? It is atomic mass expressed in grams. We call it gram atom. Gram. Okay. It is so 1 gram atom. 1 gram atom. Okay. Now atomic mass can be expressed in AMU also U, but when you express them in gram, because I told you AMU is a very small quantity, so with this we cannot take the weight. So when we express them in gram, we call it gram atomic mass. Okay. Gram atomic mass is equal to 1 gram atom. So atomic mass hydrogen is we consider to be 1.008. If I write 1.008 gram, that is the gram atomic mass of hydrogen, and it is equal to 1 gram atom of hydrogen. Okay. Now it will contain how much? It contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of atoms. Now molecular mass expressed in gram is called gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass equal to what? We call it mole. It will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecule. If it is gaseous, it will occupy 22.4 liter or 22,400 ml or cc of volume. Okay, volume at NTP. What is NTP? Temperature 273 Kelvin, pressure 760 mm, or STP. STP is what? Temperature is same. Temperature is 273 Kelvin and pressure is equal to 1 bar. Okay. So this is also known as molar volume. So please write down, because now we'll do numerical. So you'll record this. If you don't do numerical, then so you will not understand.
Sir, done.
Very good, girl. What is your name?
Sir, I'm Eileen.
Achha, very good. Eileen, you are from which school?
Paramount School, sir.
Achha. So we'll start with numericals, okay?
Yes, sir.
Calculate the mass of a single atom of sulfur. Achha, by the way, all of you, please get one calculator by the side of you because you are using mobile. So please get a calculator. Huh? Though in CBSE you are not being allowed to use calculator, but if you go for manually, it will going to take a lot of time. We will be able to do less numerical. So all of you, please get the calculator with you right now. And a single molecule of carbon dioxide. Okay? Then I'll write up. Atomic mass of sulfur, carbon, and oxygen are 32 gram mole inverse, 12 gram mole inverse, and 16 gram mole inverse respectively. So get the calculator and write this one. I'll show you one, rest you to do. So once you finish, then you tell me.
Done, sir.
Okay, now see here. So we'll do the solution. How will you start? See here. Atomic mass of, first we'll do this one. Mass of sulfur is equal to 32 gram mole inverse. See here, unit is mole inverse. That is, it is not the weight of one atom of sulfur. It is the weight of 1 mole of sulfur. So 1 mole contains how many particles? Huh? See here. So we'll write here 1 mole of sulfur contains 6 points here. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, 23 number of sulfur atoms. So what I'll write now here? I'll write the mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of sulfur atom. Weight. How much, dear? Lipo r gram. So one can know. So what will happen now? Therefore, the mass of one number of sulfur atom will be 32 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So divide and find how much it comes. So for division for this one, no, you do not get scared because this is there, na. So how do you simplify? See, you write like this: 32 divided by 6.023. This one you bring to the top. This. So divide it. Don't get scared.
So 5.31 into 10 to the power minus 23.
Good. Let others also do. Others also speak, and only not that Eileen has to speak only. Do.
So it's 5.31 to the
Yes,
power
5.31
10 to the power 23
to
into
10
10
to
to
the
the
power
power 23.
23. What is the unit you have written?
Sorry, sir.
What is the unit? What will be the unit?
Sir,
See, here unit I have written now. So
so
what will be
gram,
the unit?
mole,
M. You are finding only one. So only 5.31 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. It has given the, see, because of that I have written, it is per mole, and you are finding now one. So it will be 5.31 into 10 to the power minus 23 only gram. Okay. Okay, now please find for this one now. To find for this one, first you have to find out the what is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. See, I have already given you the atomic mass. So find out the molar mass of carbon dioxide. So this is for second part. Molar mass of carbon dioxide. What is the molar mass? Atomic mass is given na. Molar mass. How much? See here, it is carbon, only one
so is it
carbon.
44?
Yes, 12. 2 oxygen. 2 into 16, it is 44 gram. Mind it, there is molar mass. So you have to write here mole inverse. Okay. So what we write down here? 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains this many number of carbon dioxide molecules. So this many number of carbon dioxide molecule weigh how much? 44 gram. So 1 mole will be how much? 44 divided by this. So now you find these numericals are not difficult.
So
Simple.
7.30 into 10 to the power 23 gram.
How much?
7.30 into 10 to the power 23 gram.
Yes, it is 7.30. Good, good. Upper portion I will not laugh. You will require the help. Then second. How many molecules of water and oxygen atoms are present in 0.9 gram of water? Try. I will not give any hint. First you try. Okay, then if not, then I will give you. আমি দেখি কি করিস না So you have done it. Hello. No response. Hello. What happened? Are you
No,
sleeping?
sir.
Then what do you do? See, if you don't tell your problem, can I help you?
No, sir, I don't know.
Yes, sir.
So none of you could do it.
Sir, I could do.
Acha. Then tell me, how did you do?
So
Tell.
first I assumed sir, first I wrote that in 18 grams of water, 1 mole of water molecules are present. Then so in 0.9 gram, it will be 0.05 moles of water. So then I multiplied 0.05 moles with the Avogadro number, and that has given me the number of water molecules present in 18 grams, 0.9 grams of water.
See here. Molecular mass expressed in gram is equal to gram mole of molecular mass is equal to 1 mole. Okay? Now, it contains how many? This many molecules. All right. So what does it say? How many molecules of water and oxygen atoms are present in 0.9 gram of water? So I have to somehow correlate this one with my above knowledge. So for that, what should I know? I should know what is the molar mass of water. Okay. So we'll write down here. I'll write now here molecular mass of water. So see, I did not give you, just now I have given you the atomic mass of oxygen. Hydrogen I did not give, because all of us we know it is 1. We consider it to be 1. So okay, I'll write like this. H2O. So how much it will be? 2 into 1 plus 16 is equal to what? 18 gram. So molecular mass of it is equal to 18 gram. So 18 gram will contain how many molecules of water? See, 18 gram is equal to 1 mole. Is it not? Huh? 18 gram is equal to 1 mole. So how many? Okay, I'll write down here. 1 mole. Now see here, what does it say? 1 mole of water will contain how many molecules of water? Hello, Eileen? It will contain how many molecules?
6.02.
6.023 into 10 to the power 23.
Just same only. Do the same thing, same unitary method. 18 gram contains this much, 0.9 gram will contain how much? Blood depth. Do it.
0.01 into 10 to the power 22.
How much it comes? .01 into 10 to the what?
22.
Correct. So this is the number of water molecules. Okay. How many molecules of water? So it comes to 3.01 into 10 to the power 22. Now, how many atoms of oxygen are there? How many atoms? Don't get confused. See,
0.01 into 10 to the power.
because each molecule of water contains only one atom of oxygen, so it will be the same. Each molecule of water contains one atom of oxygen. So if this is the number of the water molecules, number of oxygen also will be same. Now, anyone in this group who could not understand, tell me.
Sir, me.
What is your name? Tell me the name. Tell me your name. Don't feel shy.
Sir, Juman.
And second one.
Sir, Akhil.
Okay. Acha, see. So we know that molecular mass, when you express in gram, we call it gram molecular mass. So gram molecular mass is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole of any substance will contain, see here, 1 mole is equivalent to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 numbers. So we find that if I have taken this many molecule of water, if I have taken the weight, this would have been 18 gram. So what should I write now here? 18 gram of water contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of, numbers of water molecules. This is our information. Where from you got it? Because we know the molecular mass of water. How do you know it? Because we know formula of water is H2O. Each atom of oxygen is 1, and each atom of hydrogen is 1, and each atom of oxygen is 16. So this is the way I have found out this molecular mass. Okay. So now 18 gram of water contains this many number of water molecules. How much is being given to us? 0.9. So as it is unitary method, I'll write like this. 1 gram of water contains how much? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 18 for 1 gram. So 0.9 will contain how much? This so you have learned in school. The 6.023 into 10 to the power 23, 0.9 divided by 18. So we have found it is 3.01 into 10 to the power 22. Okay? Number of H2O molecules. Okay? Excuse me. Hello, Piklu. হয়ে গেছে না? তো আজকে তো আমি যেতে পারতাম না, আমার ক্লাসে। হ্যাঁ, বললাম ওইটা এখন
Sir, I can't hear you.
মেশিন চলতেছে তো আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে
Sir is in the call.
কালকে কি তোমার তোমরা দোকান খোলা থাকবো আচ্ছা তা কালকে কত হয়েছে বা টাকা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আমি কালকে সকালে হ্যাঁ থ্যাংক ইউ বলো ঠিক হয়েছে
Sir.
yes tell hello
Sir, I was unable to hear you just now.
oh I was attending another call
So it should be 10 to the power 23, no, sir.
up to this much you could understand up to this much
So it should be 10 to the power 23, no, sir.
huh
So 10 to the power 23.
no you do this multiplication it should be 22 only acha I could understand what my friend is telling me actually you have got this one na 0.301 into 10 to the power 23 you have got this one na result
Yes, sir.
see dear in the initial classes what did I say how to write scientific notation in scientific notation all scientific results are being written one digit followed by decimal so in that case we are following scientific notation dear see it is not this am I wrong hello tell me our scientific results when we expressed we have to express following their scientific notation that we'll first write one digit and after that we'll put a decimal so this is the one that you got here after multiplication and this is the one by which we write see both of them are saying if you give this one is 100% correct you will get full marks but if you have to follow the norm then in that case we have to write it like this oh, see first one digit followed by decimal so what did I do in that case I have multiplied this by if I want to shift the decimal from here to here means I have to divide it by 10 when you divide it by 10 23 becomes 22 understood all of you understood now in the group huh?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let us see then what does it say here oxygen look here in this molecule how many oxygen atoms are there one each molecule contain one oxygen atom so this many number of oxygen molecule will also contain same number of oxygen atom clear
Yes, sir.
understood
Yes, sir.
huh? Very good so we'll do another
Yes.
okay what is the mass of 3.01 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of ammonia. Do you know the formula of ammonia?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
NH3.
NH3.
Yes. If anyone who does not know, immediately tell, sir, I do not know. Huh? I told you, if you feel shy in your life, you cannot learn anything. So I'll write down the formula. Okay. What is, do you know the atomic mass of nitrogen? Atomic mass of nitrogen is
40.
14 gram mole inverse. Hydrogen, you know, so I'm not writing. Think and do. Think. So could you do it?
Yes, sir.
I'm doing.
Okay. You try. It's not that difficult. Everything is written here.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes, tell me. Tell.
Sir, is it 2.0 into 10 to the power 21?
Huh? How much?
Into 10 to the power 21.
21, 21. No, 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 no. What is the mass of this many molecules of ammonia? No, you have made some mistake, or you are a little bit under confusion. First, you find out the molecular mass of ammonia. From there, automatically thing will come. Okay. Molecular mass of ammonia. Ammonia, see here, it is 14 plus 3 into 1. How much it comes? 70 gram mole inverse. All right.
So how
So
did
now,
you get 3 into?
huh? How many hydrogens are there? See, NH3. How many hydrogens are there? 3. What is the mass of one atom of hydrogen? 1. For nitrogen, for hydrogen, 3 into 1, 17 gram more mass. Now see what information you get from here. See, molecular mass. This is 17 gram of ammonia equal to 1 mole. 1 mole will contain how many molecules? This many molecules. So can I not write the mass of 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of ammonia molecules is equal to what? 17 gram. See, per mole, because of that it comes, and each mole equal to the many molecules. So now find from here, what will be the weight?
Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Okay. So now you find out, write down with this, what is the result?
Sir, is the answer 2.82
You're done.
into 10 to the power minus 23?
I cannot hear you. Tell loudly.
2.82 into 10 to the power minus 23.
See here. That is what will how much? 17 divided by, this will go down, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Then 3.1 into 10 to the power 22 will be how much? It will be 17. 3.01 divided by 10 to the power 22. Okay? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay? So I'll write like this to simplify. See, 22 and 23. So what I can write? 17 into 3.01. Don't get scared by these big digits. Into what? 1 by 10. Divide this one. How much it comes?
Sir, 8.49.
Hmm?
8.49.
Achha, good. 8.49. 0.849 divided by 10. See, 10 is there or not? So it will be equal to what? 0.849. So I can go for adding. You know how to go for approximation. I have to add if the digit which I am to cancel, if it is more than 5, then I have to add.
I can't see the board.
Sir, can you lower the
So,
camera, sir? I can't see, sir.
Result, this many gram.
Right.
Sir, can't see the board. Can you please do?
Okay?
Sir. Sir.
Huh.
Sir, can you lower the camera, sir? We can't see, sir.
Sorry. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So done, sir.
Sir, can you please dictate the question because it's not clear?
Yes.
Can you please dictate the question?
How many molecules and atoms? How many molecules and atoms of oxygen are present in 5.6 liters of oxygen? 5.6 liters of oxygen. See, now it is given in volume. Here, all the numerical we have done till now it is in mass, and this is in volume. Okay. See here. What does it say? Molecular mass in gram is called gram molecular mass, equal to 1 mole. 1 mole of any substance contains this many number of molecules. And if it is gaseous, it is going to occupy 22.4 liter of volume. See here. So I'll write here now. Molecular mass of oxygen, we know 32 gram molecules. Okay. Contain how many? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of O2 molecules. Oxygen is a gas. So it is going to occupy how much volume? 22 here you write at NTP, normal temperature and pressure. Okay, is going to occupy how much liter of oxygen at NTP. So from there you try to do everything I have written. If I do all the problem for you, then you will not be able to do any problem. First you try. If you cannot, try. Don't leave it. If you cannot, then you tell me.
So is it 392 molar volume?
Sorry, God.
Please, I'm not able to hear your voice. Please raise your voice.
So I got 1.504 into 10 to the power 23.
Apsifang. Yes, perfectly correct. And what is the, see, this is the one. Now you tell me this.
So is it correct?
Yes, Kun. So how many of you could not do till now? See, many of you are there in the group. I'm telling you, if you remain silent, then I may stop the tuition. I told you no that I'm not a religious.
Sir, I can't hear
person.
you.
I'll keep on saying and you'll hear it. How many of you could not do?
Sir, I couldn't finish it.
Okay, see here. So what is the relationship between this? See here. You get the relationship from here to here. So what you write now here? 22.4 liters of oxygen contains how many molecules? This many molecules? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of O2 molecules. So one will be how much? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 22.4 and 5.6 will be how much? 6.023 10 to the power 23 into 5.6 divided by 22.4. So this and this it becomes 4. So divide 6.023 by 4. So it comes to how much? 3.01. This many number of molecules of O2 molecules. Okay. Then number of oxygen atoms. See, each oxygen molecule contains 2 oxygen atoms. So it will be how much? 2 into 3.1 into 10 to the power 23. So it comes to how much? 6.02 into 10 to the power 23. Such simple sum also. You have to increase your IQ level. Now you try to do some problem from your book. Because I told you we have started very late and already 2 days in this week we have lost. Okay. And in this chapter, many numericals are there. All right. So try to do at home. And if you cannot do it, you ask me in the next class or in the group itself, you can send a problem. Okay, we'll go for group discussion. If you send it in this group, and if any of your friend can do it, he will solve it and post it in the same group. Then by exchange between among you people also you learn many things. So try to utilize this group. This group only for not for hearing my lecture. Any of you who could not do this problem, write the problem, post in the group. I'll first see whether your friends can do it. If your friends can do it, then they will solve the problem. They can take a picture of it, post it in the group. All right? Then see you next week.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
welcome.
Thank
you, sir.
you.